Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to turn the airbag light off on a Mercedes W163 with the this is the MaxiSys by Autel MS908. As you can see, our airbag light is on, SRS right there. So what you need to do, you just need to connect it to the car, to the OBD reader right there, and you need to select bands, and then you need to select your model. So that's pretty simple procedure. You just select M-Class. This is 163 from 98 all the way until 2005. And then you need to select left hand steering, gasoline is ours, and ML430 or whatever model yours is. And you can have the airbag light on just even if you replace your battery, just because of low voltage it can trigger the light. And you need to go to diagnostics. This computer is pretty awesome, guys. You need to go to body and airbag module. You can do quite a few things, program, or you pretty much have the dealer power over the vehicle. Okay, now we need to read the codes, and after you read the codes it tells you what it is. It says stored code for side airbag, and we have the video on our channel. We had to replace the side airbag because it was not contacting the computer, and you need to go to erase codes after that. And you confirm with yes, you wait, and now you need to click OK, and you need to turn the ignition switch off for 10 seconds as it states. Okay, we turn the key back on, click yes right here, and now it's establishing the connection with the module again. And now you can see it's ready, and the airbag light is gone. It's not there anymore. So that's the whole procedure. If you start the car now, guys, you will have the airbag light out of there. As you can see, the only thing is the seat belt, because we don't have the seat belt buckle, but it will go away. So that's how you reset the code, reset the airbag module on a Mercedes W163 with the MaxiSys. Subscribe for more videos. We'll be uploading many videos how to use the MaxiSys. Thank you guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.